going to show you how to find breakout communities using GummySearch. So we have the audiences that I've saved. There is a set of curated audiences that you can just dive into. But then additionally, GummySearch tracks all of the active, largest, engaged, and growing communities on Reddit. And so let's say, for example, we want to look at the growing communities. There's a couple of different stats that you can sort by. We want to look at member growth. And let's say we want to look at the ones that are growing on a day-by-day basis, and by default it has big ones, but let's say we want something that's about 10K to 100K. It's really a breakout sort of community. You can see we have a bunch of them here. The top one is Dolly 2, which is really awesome new technology, and you can see it's pretty newly tracked by GummySearch, so we don't even have monthly or weekly stats yet, but I can go ahead and add this to an audience. I'm going to name it Dolly, and GummySearch shows you the similar subreddits. The OpenAI is the company that makes Dolly, so let's go ahead and add that. And now we have our audience, and it's going to show up in here. We can explore it and stay in touch with these communities.